What is up guys, Tenet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam fatal error. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam or steampowered.com, and after that you'll be redirected to the main official website of Steam. From there, at the top you will see the login button. Click on that, and if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new Steam account. But if you already have an account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged into Steam. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option of install Steam. Simply click on that and then install the Steam application. And after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard will look like. From here, on the left side, go to the Steam's menu by clicking on the Steam icon at the top of the left side and then go to settings. After coming to the settings, click on downloads, and after here you can see the clear download cache. Click on this clear cache and then a pop-up window will appear. Simply click on confirm to confirm the clearing the downloaded cache. This will solve the fatal error problem in your Steam. But if it still doesn't solve the problem, try to run Steam into the administrator mode. To run Steam in administrator, you need to right click on the application, and after right clicking it, you will see the option to run as administrator. So just run the Steam in your administrator mode, and then this will solve the error. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.